Hello guys, welcome back again. From today onwards, we are going to start a new series about Python MySQL. If you talk about MySQL, we all know MySQL is very popular database. So let's just start our video. In this video, you will see how we can make connection between Python script and a database. In future videos, you will see how we can execute other queries. For example, how to create database, how to drop a database, how to create any table, how to drop tables, and also other queries. So let's just start our video. First, we have to install Python MySQL library. So just type here pip3 install MySQL connector Python. Once you click enter, then it will be installed. It was already installed my system, that's why it is showing requirement already satisfied. But if you have not installed, then it will be installed by running this command, right? So let's go to our next step. Next step is importing our library. Import mysql dot connector, right? We have imported our library. Now let's just make a connection. It's just a variable, so don't worry. mysql dot connector dot connect. This is the method to make a connection. And in this method, we have to pass three parameters. First one is host. Host, for now, it's a local host. Second one is user. In my case, it's root. And the last one is password. My password is just some random numbers. You can enter your password here. Now it done. Now we can just print. Let's just print our connection variable con. Now let's run our Python script. Python 3 intro.py. Now you can see I got a object which is database connection object. All right. So it is successfully connected. So in this video, that's it. In our future videos, we will see other query execution, and also we will learn in deep level about these parameters and other parameters. And also we can see how we can execute other queries to create a database, to drop a database, and how to create tables, drop tables, and execute other queries as well. So thanks for watching guys. Please support and please just subscribe the channel. Don't forget that. Thank you.